kaya naman nating i-handle yan. In fact, sabi ko nga kanina sa taas, mayroong 3 bahay ng mga dating sundalo na pinasok. Hindi yung mga kasamahan ng mga ito. Isa sa Cagayan, isa sa Iloilo, pananakot, no? Samahan nila dati kay Saldico na trabahante, pinasok ang bahay ng 3. Pananakot. Hindi ang assessment ko, pananakot lang. Wala nang lumabas na ipapasok. Ito naman na namin yung text messages.
Anong sabi sir sa text messages?
Mag-ingat kayo kasi kung hindi nyo mapataob itong gobyerno, meron din kayong kalalagyan.
Initially, reklamo. Wala pong lumabas doon sa investigation kanina. Ang pakiusap ko lang po sana, ako nga po sana, kung pwede ko lang takasan itong mga interview na to, kaso kailangan transparent tayo sa taong bayan, ano po. Kasi nagkakaroon ng mga salita na ganyan. Ang pakiusap ko lang po sana, kung meron pong mga pangyayari, let's make it all official. Para po yung tiwala ng taong bayan nasa atin, ang sagot lang po naman dyan, we have to be very transparent sa ginagawa natin eh. At may recording naman po yung buong proceedings na ginawa namin in case na meron po mga sinabi na saliwat o taliwas, eh bari naman po natin ilabas yung recording na yan. But ang sinasabi nga, I would like to thank yung pong aming pong men and women who conducted the investigation today. We treated them well, we provided them water, coffee, even lunch bago po namin sila pinales. Ganito po yung servisyo natin sa NBI. At yung pinalunch po natin, maayos ba yung pinakain natin dito? Maayos po, hindi po kamote pinakain natin dito.
Ibanagin ko sa mga kaibigan natin, ha? Ako galing din po sa NBI nung panahon ni Mayor Lim, eh. Di ba nag-NBI siya bago siya naging mayor? I have the deepest respect for the men and women of the NBI na talagang very professional, matatalino, masaysipag sa trabaho. Kaya lang, minsan ang liderato ay kamoting kahoy, may ulalo pa. Pero this is useless.
Not to front, not as an affront to the NBI, pero kung may dalawang investigasyon kasi, talaga namang hindi pwede. Yun lang naman ang point ni Atty. Topacio.
Ang bilis na ito agad ah!
Hindi, kanina pa hiningi eh.
Kano?
121,000.
121,000?
Ano? Ano ba kinain natin?
Baka mali, baka kulang yan.
Baka kulang eh. Teka, baka kulang yung dala kong pera.
Kaya?
Oh. Kulang ba to? Kulang? Akala ko 1,021,000. Keep the change! Keep the change!
Ito na! Ito na lang ito.
Magkano? Bilangan mo. Bilangan ako. Nasabog. Hello? Bilangan nyo nga. Tuwalit. Bilangan mo, Alvin. Magkano? Teka. Hawakan mo naman.
The Ombudsman has deputized the NBI to investigate. But outside of the Ombudsman's deputization, the NBI also has plenary power to investigate matters, motu proprio. And so, please don't be of the impression that all this is just because of the issue of the alleged 18 Marines. So, this can go beyond that.
So what are you exactly investigating with respect to
Okay, so-
you tell me, because you're being overbroad eh. Hindi ganyan.
So, ganito na lang, sir. So, we have prepared individual interview rooms for
We do not consent. We already made it clear. We do not consent.
You may accompany your client.
Never mind.
So,
It does
all
not
your
matter. We
queries-
do not consent. We want to make that clear. We do not consent.
To ask
Which
the
part
questions.
of no? We do not consent to be interviewed at all. We want to leave, and there is nothing in the law that will prevent you from us leaving here now.
Okay. So, if that's the case, sir, then
If you
just
want,
have
you
it
can
on
issue us
record.
other subpoena for another thing as long as it is relevant. When you say that the NBI has motu proprio powers, that power is not unlimited. It does not amount to a roving commission. We know that eh. Huwag na tayong bulahan panyero naman. Pambihira naman tayo eh. Ano bang gusto nyo sa kliyente ko? Identity. Hindi nyo kilala. I mean, not to be condescending, but hindi nyo kilala. Oh.
Ganito, sir. We can answer those questions in the right forum. We have an interview room where you may
We
be
do not.
present.
No, we're not.
Kasi you want
We are
answers to
not
your
going to
questions,
be
sir.
interviewed. We are not
Sorry.
going to be interviewed.
Yes,
President Mundo, you said you have plenary powers as the National Bureau of Investigation. Can you imagine, you're going through budget deliberations in Congress. You're spending resources of the government investigating a non-crime. Walang krimen dito. I knew you were used during the Napoles investigation. May krimen doon. May scam. You were used in the PhilHealth scam. But ngayon, in plenary powers, na-expand ninyo to investigate these people?
Sir, excuse me. These people, as you say, they're witnesses. They're allegations of crime here. Remember, the 18 Marines.
Yeah, you want to establish first their identity. So you establish their identity. Now, if you want to investigate the affidavit, you investigate the substance. Pero for you to say na yung deputization nyo can go beyond the ombudsman, again, I'll repeat, you will go through budget deliberations. And you are already saying that the NBI is doing this. Spending of the resources of government, investigating a non-crime.
Sir, again-
I'm just warning the NBI, wala naman antay dito. I understand you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just to be clear,
Attorney Mark Santiago.
yes, sir, Attorney Mark Santiago, sir, we respect all your sentiments at hindi kami maglalagpas doon sa aming mandate. Ito po is yung background investigation at saka credibility verification. Yun lang po. Tapos yung credibility, yes sir, let me finish na sir. Let me finish na, sir.
No. Sinabi mo hindi kayo lalampas, lumalampas ka na ngayon eh.
No sir,
Oh.
I'm explaining. Let's not be overly dramatic sir. Simple lang. You may leave if you want. I-discuss po natin lahat sir. Sasabihin ko lang po na credibility verification. Kasama po doon yung statements nyo kung credible ba o hindi. Yun lang po sir. Yun lang po. Sana maintindihan nyo. Yung statements nyo kung consistent ba with evidence, consistent ba with yung logic, lahat po yun kasi bago po mag-imbestiga yung ombudsman, yun po yung gagawin natin. Hindi po kami mag-imbestiga ng iba pa. Nasama lang po yung mga iba kasi base sa statements nyo, meron pong circumstances na kailangan imbestigahan para malaman yung credibility, sir. Yun lang po. So other than that, if you will refuse, of course you can refuse, sir. We're just here to inform you na yun po yung proceedings na mangyayari.
Okay. Yung credibility po na sinasabi nyo, so you, beyond the identity, you also want to establish the credibility of the 18.
As stated in the deputization, sir. Ito sir, credibility verification of the 18 individuals. Yun po who executed the joint affidavit. Kasi sir, you filed a complaint to the ombudsman. The ombudsman deputized us to conduct background and credibility verification for their proceedings.
So, just for my client, I just want to know, she did not execute the affidavit as part of the affidavit. We're just wondering why she said definitely there's pages for that.
There is basis, it will be revealed later po, no? As right now, as you can see, we're being, this is a semi-public forum, so we don't want to disclose that here, but it will be disclosed during the interview, which you are welcome to understand.
So, is it okay to disclose we see the
Oh, no, not here, not here, not here.
Kasi other witnesses will be something diba?
During the interview. I cannot show it to you right now. I'll show it to you later.
Malino tayo. Ngayon, is it okay?
Do you not know the identity of the
We
subject?
definitely know the identity.
What is the purpose of the ID? No, hindi. Yun ang napag-usapan yun ni Atty. Baligod. Oo, ikaw, sabi ko, Atty. Raimundo, meron ba kayong duda that this person in front of you is Secretary Mike Defensor?
Wala po, wala po.
Oh,
We've
yun
already
naman pala eh.
established that.
Oh, tapos. So,
Yes, sir.
can we leave now?
Yes sir. Yes, sir.
So, thank you.
Thank you sir.
But sir,
Thank
let
you
me
for
just want to
coming,
make
sir.
it clear, no? I just want to respond to the allegation earlier that we're investigating a non-crime. That's not true po. As you can see in the joint affidavit of the quote-unquote 18 Marines, may allegations po of graft and corrupt practices, bribery, and other crimes. So, hindi po non-crime ito. May crime po tayo na-investigahan.
Okay, sagutin mo ko ngayon. Sagutin mo ko ngayon. Ipapatawag mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? Oh,
Yeah.
o hindi? O hindi? Tell me now, para tapos tayo. So alam natin kung non-crime o crime ito. Tell me, yes or no? Patatawagin mo ba yung mga binanggit nila? You tell me now.
Let me speak. So we will have this interview
Yes or no?
now.
Yes or no? No, yes or no?
This is not a court. You can't do that, sir. Ha?
Okay, so hindi nyo patatawag. Hindi kasi sinabi niya
Let me
non-crime.
finish, sir.
Sinabi niya non-crime, sinabi mo hindi non-crime. So if you're investigating a crime, ang tinuturo ng mga 18 ay maaring, hindi ko sinasabing guilty, maaring gumawa ng krimen, ipatatawag mo ba?
Yan.
Just tell me, then dumaldal ka na ng dumaldal hanggang gusto mo. Sagutin mo lang ako o hindi.
Are you about done, sir?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we will have investigation. If the evidence points to them, if there's sufficient evidence, then we will do so. Ipapatawag din po namin sila.
No,
So,
Attorney
may proseso
Mundo,
po, may proseso.
I was going to mention that. If you want to establish the identities of the Marines, including myself and my wife, Attorney Levy already stated the IDs were given downstairs and you can verify, and the serial numbers are with him. So, what I'm saying is, if the identity is the one that you want to establish, then that's it. That's why I'm saying it's a non-crime. Now, if it's a crime investigation, then you should call on those they pointed to. Kasi establish yun ang identity eh. Yun lang ang gusto nyo establish eh. So once you have established their identities, yung tinuro nila, patawag nyo rin. Now it becomes a crime.
Sir,
But if kung sila lang imbestigahan ninyo, then it's a biased non-crime investigation of the people complaining.
sir, hindi po sila iniimbestigahan. They are witnesses. They are
Exactly.
witnesses.
So that's why when I said you establish their identity, then it's downstairs. The serial numbers are with Attorney Baligon. Once it's established, you call the others. The 40 names, including the affidavits, including Sandro Marcos and Bongbong Marcos and Yusek Jojo Cadiz of DOJ. Yan, mga critical yan. Kung sasabihin nyo ipapatawag nyo, 100% I agree with you.
Tulong-tulong tayo. Yeah ba?
Okay po.
Yes, sir.
Sige po.
Okay na tayo?
Okay na tayo.
Okay na tayo, partner. Okay.